How to grow Venus flytraps in winter. Where to put it. Venus flytraps go dormant in winter. Then it can grow vigorously again in the spring. In winter, the temperature is 0 to 5. Ideally, it should be placed in a location where it receives sunlight. Outside in a sunny place except in cold climates. Winter by exposing it to cold temperatures. In cold climates, grow in a place that is cold enough not to freeze. And in the sun as much as possible. Growing in a warm, heated environment will allow the plant to grow slowly through the winter. However, it will use up its strength. It may die in spring. Winter, regardless of whether it is outdoors or indoors. Keep it dormant within 0 to 5. Watering. In spring and summer, water when the surface of soil and moss begins to dry out. In fall and winter, water only with pots of water. When the surface of the soil or moss becomes dry, change the pot in water once every 3 days to prevent the water from spoiling. Change the water every 3 days. In winter, the leaves will fall off. Keep the pot in water in winter to prevent it from drying out. Repotting. Venus flytraps keep the soil moist. Therefore, the soil is prone to rotting. Every year during the dormant season in winter, repot the plants in a new soil every winter.